Alright guys, welcome back to Hangar 51. So here goes the Maiden on my new HSG 182, 2000 millimeters. Check, left, right, up, down, left, right. Okay, here we go. Needs a little trimming. It's flying beautiful. Flies just like the other one, really. Very similar.
volts. 4.0.
Oh man, what a baby doll. Holy crap, that flies
volts.
good. I'm actually flying it very heavy, guys. It takes 2 batteries, which I was not aware of. I guess I
volts, 3.0.
I guess I should have been paying more attention. You need a flight pack, a 2-cell flight pack for the radio,
23.9 volts.
and then you need your 6-cell pack to fly, to power the motor. So the latest 2-cell pack I had was a 5,000 milliamp 2-cell LiPo versus a nickel cadmium, which was much heavier. So I went with the 5,000. So that's a lot of weight you don't need to be carrying. Oh my God, what a beautiful flyer. Holy crap. This is nice, guys. Holy shit. And I have a 4,500 flight pack in there. And I had to put some up elevator because I've got the battery a little far forward. I can always move the battery back. Very simple, you know, to change the CG. So I don't have to put that much up in it. But yeah, what a beautiful flyer. Super stable, real nice. Very quiet. Wow. I mean, very quiet. Holy crap. Look at that. That's beautiful. Wow. Really nice, guys. That's how she does inverted. About the same roll rate as the old one. So that's good. Nothing wrong with that. Wow, a lot of elevator authority. Yeah, she flies inverted just beautiful. Just beautiful.
Boy, flies nice, doesn't it?
Yep. Let's try a landing, see how she does. Let's try some half flaps here. Oh yeah, beautiful. Yeah, flies very similar to the 150. Very similar, super nice. Yeah, just beautiful.
Yeah, that's a beautiful plane.
Let's do another one. Half flaps. Low power on. Just keep flying it. And off we go. Flaps up. No stabilization whatsoever, guys. It's just a regular old receiver in here. No AS3X, no gyro. Just beautiful.
Flying pretty good for a brand new plane.
Yeah, it's on rails. Holy crap, this is just fantastic. What a beautiful airplane. It actually flies better than the other one because it doesn't have the AS3X in it. It actually does more harm than good on that particular plane. This thing's much more stable. Let's see how fast she is. Take her vertical. Not bad for being way overweight. You sure don't need a 5,000 milliamp pack in there to run the radio. Oh yeah, yeah, it's beautiful, guys. Oh my God, this is so nice. It just flies beautiful. Oh my God. Alright, so I'm not getting telemetry anymore, so we're below voltage. So let's take her in. Keep a little power on, fly her to the ground. Look at this. And there you go. Flaps up. So I was only landing with half flaps, guys. That's all you need. Look at that front suspension. Definitely doing the job. The ground handling is amazing. Look at this. And that's pretty tight. Let's go around the other way. Yeah. That's pretty cool. It almost pivots on the inner wheel. Yeah. That's beautiful, guys. That is just beautiful. Alrighty. There you have it. There's the Maiden on the new HSD 182 2000 millimeter 6S, and it's freaking awesome, guys. Absolutely awesome. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comments at the bottom. Talk to you later.